Anybody there? Anybody there? Well, can you believe the size of these weeds? I swear if someone were to see this, they probably think I'm growing corn. Hi, I'm the garden lady. It's been a while since I made a video. Between all the rain in southern Indiana and my daytime job, this is what happens. But I'm here to make videos again. Rain has stopped and I got a weed problem. It's a major one, but it's not one that I haven't challenged before. For those of you who don't know me, first of all, I want to say thank you to all my new subscribers. I've been on YouTube for about 8 years, give and take. Never took my channel really seriously. I was raising 4 kids, but now my kids are grown and gone. My passion is still gardening. I still love my garden. It's time to get back out here. For those of you who don't know, I've been an organic gardener for 18 years, organic. Because I don't spray or use any kind of pesticide, I've dealt with a lot of insects, a lot of crops being destroyed, just a lot of things happening out here. But I've also had a lot of successes. My first garden I ever grew, I planted everything. This was in southern Texas, and nothing grew. And I thought, what a waste of time. I can't do this, even though I love gardening. So I decided I'm not the type of person to give up so easily. So I tried again and again and again. And through the years, I've learned a lot about gardening and what actually works and what doesn't. You know, I still have a lot of failures out here, and that's okay. Because if you're a gardener, it's in your heart and you just love it so much, and being out here in Mother Nature is what just gives me a lot of joy. So I wanted to touch base with you again, and I'm going to start cleaning this up, and I thought I'd bring you guys along for the ride. Plus, I have found some surprises among the weeds here. Believe it or not, food still grows in here. I just have to go find it. But anyway, I'm back. So in my last video, I told you that there are surprises I still find among the weeds in this garden. And I'm going to show you what I'm talking about. As you can see in this pepper plant, I'm going to show you what I found. So look at that. A nice, beautiful, round pumpkin. Ah, what a surprise. I mean, among all these weeds, it's just so nice to find something so pretty. So hopefully it'll mature nice in here and do what it has to do, and you know, I don't know how I'm going to clean up all these weeds around the pumpkin without damaging the main stem, but I'm sure going to do my best. So I'll probably have a carving pumpkin for the fall. So I think I'm going to call this video Charlie Brown, the Great Pumpkin. Ah! So what do you guys think? You like the pumpkin I found? I say pretty cool. So look at the garden from out here. Some job ahead of me. Oh boy. So look at the treasures I did find. See? Even among the weeds, there's still things to be found.